In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add accent symbols to text in PowerPoint. We all know that presenting information clearly and accurately is key in PowerPoint, and sometimes this includes ensuring the correct use of accent symbols, especially if you are quoting or including content in another language, like Spanish. You might think adding accented characters is a bit tricky, especially if you only have a standard keyboard. But don't worry, because by the end of this video you'll see just how straightforward this process can be using PowerPoint's built-in tools. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. This could be a new presentation or an existing file where you just need to insert the correct accents. Once you have your presentation open, click on the text box where you intend to add the accented characters. Make sure you have the text cursor blinking in the exact spot within the text where the accent is needed. Next, direct your attention to the top of the window and look for the Home tab. Go ahead and click on it. The Home tab contains a host of different features, but the one we're interested in today is the Dictate feature. Now, you might not have used this feature before, but it's remarkably helpful to quickly insert characters that your keyboard might not easily accommodate. Once you click on Dictate, you'll notice options related to language settings. This is where the magic happens. Change the language to Spanish. PowerPoint will start to recognize and facilitate the use of characters and accents inherent in the Spanish language, which often includes a wide range of accented letters. Now you're ready for dictation. Simply speak the word or phrase that includes the accented letter you need. PowerPoint will transcribe it, accents and all. This is a great trick because it allows you to verbally input a whole word and then extract the letter or letters you need without trying to remember the specific key commands for each accent symbol. Once the text including the accented character appears on the screen, the only step left is to highlight the character you want to use and copy it. You can do this by right-clicking on the character and selecting Copy, or by using the good old shortcut keys, Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then place your cursor back in the location you initially intended to add this character and paste it in using Ctrl+V, or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. And there you have it. Adding those tricky to type accent symbols into your PowerPoint presentations is now as easy as pie. With this method you can ensure your presentation is not only accurate but also visually and linguistically spot on. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful PowerPoint tips.